Kuckoo Kids.
Coloring alphabets. Orange, pink, red, blue, sky blue, green, and many more colors. Let's color the alphabet. A. Red color. Say with me. Red color. B. Pink color. Color of B is pink.
Okay.
C. Yellow color. Yellow color. D. Yellow again. E. Green color. F. Green color. Letter F painted green. G. Violet color. G is painted violet. H. Violet color once again. H painted violet. I. Blue color. Alphabet I painted blue. J. Blue color. Blue color, J. K. Brown color. K, painted brown. L. Brown color. Brown. Let's color more. M. Sky blue color. Sky blue. N. Sky blue color. Look at the sky. O. Orange color. Color of O is now orange. P. Orange color. Orange painted P. Q. The pink color.
Wow!
R.
Wow! It's pink color.
S. What color is it?
Brown color.
Yeah, brown color. T.
Brown color.
Letter T. Painted brown. U. Which color is this?
Yellow color.
V.
Yellow color.
W. Remember the color?
The color is red.
X.
Red color.
Red color X. Y. Remember? The green color.
One more to go.
Z. It is green.
Look at the nature.
That's it. Learn more colors.
Kuckoo Kids.